Eureka, 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 Eureka!
I got it!
Welcome to Eureka Publication Private Limited, creators of engaging textbooks and digital learning tools. Let's dive right in.
Welcome! In this activity, we will study the formation of electrovalent bonds, also called ionic bonds, by constructing atomic models. Our objective is to understand and demonstrate how electrons transfer from metals to nonmetals to make stable ions and ionic compounds. Required materials: cardboard paper, a marker, a compass, a pencil, thread, glue, small balls of mud or peas, and colored beads of different colors. Procedure: 1. Collect all the materials. 2. Draw circles on the cardboard using the compass to represent electron shells. 3. Prepare atomic models of sodium, magnesium, calcium, chlorine, and oxygen by placing colored beads for electrons on each shell. 4. Show transfer of electrons from the metal atoms, such as sodium, magnesium, or calcium, to nonmetal atoms like chlorine or oxygen using thread or arrows. 5. Join the atoms to represent the formation of ionic compounds, such as NaCl, MgCl2, and CaO. Let us quickly build one atomic model to visualize the idea. We will model chlorine. Chlorine has 17 electrons, 2 in the first shell, 8 in the second, and 7 in the third. First, we draw the shells with the compass. Then we place beads to represent electrons on those shells. Now we will demonstrate an electrovalent bond between sodium and chlorine. Sodium has 2, 8, 1 electrons, so it has 1 valence electron. Chlorine has 2, 8, 7 electrons, so it needs 1 electron to complete its octet. We place the two atoms side by side. Then the valence electron from sodium transfers to chlorine. After the transfer, sodium becomes Na+, and chlorine becomes Cl-. Together, they form NaCl. Next, magnesium and chlorine. Magnesium has 2, 8, 2 electrons, and will donate 2 electrons, 1 to each chlorine atom. Each chlorine needs 1 electron to complete its octet. After transfer, magnesium becomes Mg2+, and both chlorines become Cl-, forming MgCl2. Finally, calcium and oxygen. Calcium has 2, 8, 8, 2 electrons, so it can donate 2 electrons. Oxygen has 2, 6 electrons, and needs 2 electrons to complete its octet. After transfer, calcium becomes Ca2+, and oxygen becomes O2-, forming CaO. Summary: electrovalent, or ionic, bonds form when metal atoms transfer valence electrons to nonmetal atoms. The metals become positively charged ions, and the nonmetals become negatively charged ions. Opposite charges attract, creating stable ionic compounds like NaCl, MgCl2, and CaO. Great job building and visualizing ionic bonds with atomic models.
This session was brought to you by Eureka Publication Private Limited. Think it, dream it, do it. Join us for the next lesson. Till then, like, subscribe, and share. Eureka Digital Publications, creators of trusted textbooks and digital learning tools.